We have here different scraps, different size, and we can make a wonderful mat like a brain game for our cat. Something we can use it to put the food or the treat to helping them to have a mental exercise. So we had two pieces here. I will sewing that in the middle to make one piece. I use the zigzag to make look nicely. Next step, we will try to make a square. Let's see, we have here 11 and a half. The another direction we have 9 inch. So we can work like a rectangle. We can mark the 9 here. This part look a little different. So we can do 11 and we can cut it. We can fold it to make more easy. No need to be perfect. I love the color, it's so nice. And now we start to create with another piece we have here different patterns. We will use the pins to hold the fabric until we go into the machine. We can try to make that like a ruffle here. We can see with another, we can use it. We had a little fabric here. This is a fleece. It's very soft, really nice for this project. And we can create another ruffle. I will fold it here. Sewing here in the seam in both sides. You can see is a little fabric missing here, but it's okay because what we try to do here, use the scraps we had, and this part we are still able to use it to put the tree here or the food, and our cat, they can play and try to find out where is the treat. Cut the excess in both sides, here, right here. This is a really nice project, and it's the kind of project you start to make in one, and maybe you want to start to make it 2 or 3 or more for your friend. Maybe something you can make to donate. So now we have this part, and we will making a flower to add to the mat. To make the flower, I will use the small circles as already I had from another project, and I will try to see if the size that are similar, and we can use it all of them. I have five circles here. What I will do is try to cut at the same size the scissors and use it at this moment. They are for paper because the fabric, the flace, working better with that. Now we placed our 5 circles, one white, purple. We had a white here, purple, I think so. Maybe we can put it here down, and we will place it in this corner, and it's a very excited project. I will sew in here in the middle with the zigzag, so the flower is still there, but you can hide the tree under any of the pieces. I sewing in different directions because we want this piece, and each piece in the mat can be very strong because our pet, they will play with that, so we don't want they rip the fabric or anything like that, so we can try just to ensure we sewing in the best ways possible. This one looks so cute. I cannot wait until our cat, Shinobi and Minnie can play in them. So we will add one more, maybe a couple things more. I'm excited. So I will take a circle. I will fold it once, and I will fold it one more time. You can see, you can use it as a put your tree or your food here. And I will make few of those and we place it in the mat. This is how it looks. It's so nice. And now we will add a small pillow. I had this yellow fabric piece here. It's just one piece. I will fold it. I will going to sew in the four sides. I will place it in the mat. Now we're going to cut. Make a small cut any place you want. I will do it here in the center, and we cut in all the directions because we will place our tree there. So we had our mat here, we had a tree, and we can just keep it right there. She's enjoying it. That's wonderful. I think so it's working. She's looking for another tree, and she's trying to figure out where is that. The mat is great because it's get like a fun when you eat. They can really enjoy. See, she knows it's doing so good. That is amazing. Oh, she find it. She find it. So this is wonderful. I hope so you enjoy. You made one for your pet, and if you want to send the pictures, can be great. We can share with everybody. One more, Shinobi. One more. You can do it. Shino is there. She tried to figure out how to take it.